Let's get some highway cruising in the Lumina with the GoPro, some POV. Please let me know what you guys think of this type of content. We have the right car for this type of content right now, guys, especially for the highway. So I hope you guys are gonna appreciate what I'll be bringing to you. And obviously this makes it much easier for me to do pulls in a car, because I can have both my hands on the steering wheel, and safety comes first, guys. Right, so we're on the highway on our way to Greenstone Mall, and thank you for joining me. Keep it locked to TRW. Let's go. Traction control on, not in sport mode, still in comfort, but we'll see if that really means anything later on. I just want to get the gearbox service before I put it into sport mode. And yeah, Joburg as usual, too many cars on the road, but I love it, I love it. Let's get going, guys. She handles very impressively, you know, given the reputation that old school American cars have, or Australian cars. They don't really focus too much on handling ability, but you know, this definitely has that ability. So this is just some test footage as well. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not even sure if the camera is staying in the correct position, or if it is in the correct position and that you guys can see. I hope so. If it's not, then you won't be seeing this footage, but if it is, then I'll be keeping it. So yep, coming up to the Owartambo split. What? We're on the N3 going north towards Pretoria right now. She definitely gets up to speed very quickly, guys. It's actually quite scary, and that is like half throttle, because obviously I'm not gonna plant my foot in the middle of all this traffic. And still in comfort mode, so yo, I don't know what else I can say. It's scary to think that there's still much more left in this car, but you guys will get to see that in due time. Place and time, guys. Place and time. Time and place. Sorry, baby. Time and place. Hey, this is throttle response. We do things back to front. Yes, baby. No, it's not. It's still recording. Okay, just gotta get this trailer guy out of my way, because he's hindering my view as well, very badly. Shoo! It's like, this is lunchtime traffic, I suppose. It's 1 o'clock. But we'll be reaching our destination very soon, so please stay tuned and please watch this video till the end. If you like what you're seeing, please like and subscribe, guys. Please, I'm asking very nicely. Let's go. Move! Get out the way! Right. Where's the metros? Where's the metros? We ain't stopping for no metro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Gotta play it safe, guys. This is not the Autobahn. They should just get an Autobahn for South Africa as well, really. I think it will save a lot of lives, actually. Just have one lane for everyone to speed. Makes sense. Because here people don't understand what the fast lane is. Gotta just make sure everybody else sees me coming, guys, because some people are sleeping at lunchtime. Getting close to the off-ramp, Modderfontein. This is actually where I used to stay, guys. So where I used to live, so I know this road very well. And this was the off-ramp I always took to go home when coming from Eastgate side, or anywhere that side, the south as well. I'm so excited about this new headgear that I have, and I need to fix that tie rod ends. Undercover, don't play. And there's the BMs behind them, and okay, so it's presidential thing going on there, or should we say political. There's the metro guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Yeah, they know. They don't stop V8s. Show some respect. I used to stay or live in Lombardy East, right over there, where you see those power flow exhaust place. Yep.
Load shedding.
It's load shedding right now, yeah. So the traffic lights are out. Getting to Greenstone shortly. Gear ratios are so long, guys. It's actually quite scary because it just accelerates non-stop, eh? And this guy, does he really have to slow down so aggressively? Gee whiz. You got a slow car, dude. You don't have to slow down that much. You're already going slow. Get these wheels balanced just to make sure, because you got a heavy vibration on the steering wheel, under braking as well. So I know I need to get the rack ends replaced, that's for sure. Just can't get them anywhere right now. Parts are scarce. But when I get back home to Mossel Bay, maybe then I'll get them replaced. There's Greenstone Mall over there. Stone Ridge Shopping Center. What is that? I wanna know, what is that? Right. Brakes nicely. Corners nicely. Don't be trying that with traction off though. I need to get that gearbox thing sorted because she changes down too slowly. And you keep hearing this goop goop at the back. It's really worrying. entering Greenstone shopping center. To get the diff check as well, you know. Just get everything checked. Why not? Hello, Greenstone. There's a sensor. Thank you. Car always sounds better underground. Hello. Love it. Ah, people think I'm such an idiot. And this is such a waste of fuel. Okay, so now I actually wanted us to enter in such a way, you know, that the kids don't see this place, but it's alright, we'll...
promise it to him for another time.
And there we are. Sounds good. Why you bored, Mela? Why you look so bored, Mela? Hey, you're gonna get your turn now, baby. Oh, Mela can't wait. Mela can't wait. Even Zeki. Zeki's so anxious. Hey, so anxious to play, guys. Guys are playing dodgeball.
KEVIAR killing that beat.
Down here. Do some styles there. Do some styles there. Anything. Like this. Front flip. Front flip. Easy. On your back. Land on your back. Land on your back. Bola makisi. Yep. That's how she looks. Underground. All the scratches out, guys. Oof. Look at that. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera, but that color is sweet.